Today, we're going to explore the top 5 biggest criminal court cases in history. From notorious murderers to high-stakes scandals, these cases have captivated the world and left a lasting impact on the legal landscape. These cases have not only made headlines, but have also shaped our understanding of justice and the rule of law. So, without further ado, let's jump right in. Number 1 on our list is one of the most significant criminal court cases in history, the Nuremberg Trials. Held in the aftermath of World War II, these trials sought to hold Nazi leaders accountable for their heinous crimes against humanity, including genocide and war crimes. The Nuremberg Trials represented a turning point in international law. For the first time, individuals were held accountable for crimes against humanity on a global stage. The trials established important legal precedents and laid the foundation for future prosecutions of war criminals. The Nuremberg trials resulted in numerous convictions and set a powerful precedent for holding perpetrators of mass atrocities accountable for their actions. It remains a symbol of justice and the international community's commitment to preventing future atrocities. At number 2, we come to the Enron scandal, one of the largest corporate fraud cases in history. Enron, once one of the largest energy companies in the world, collapsed in 2001 due to widespread accounting fraud and corruption. The scandal sent shockwaves through the financial world and led to significant regulatory reforms. The Enron scandal exposed the dark underbelly of corporate greed and the dangers of unchecked power. It shattered investor confidence and highlighted the need for greater transparency and oversight in the financial industry. The fallout from the scandal was felt around the world. The Enron scandal resulted in numerous convictions, including those of top executives Kenneth Lay and Jeffrey Skilling. It served as a cautionary tale about the consequences of unethical behavior in the corporate world and the importance of holding wrongdoers accountable. Number 3 takes us into the chilling world of serial killers, to the trial of Ted Bundy. Bundy was a notorious American serial killer who confessed to murdering at least 30 young women in the 1970s. His trial, which took place in 1979, was one of the first to be heavily covered by the media. The Ted Bundy trial was significant not only because of the heinous nature of his crimes, but also because it provided valuable insights into the mind of a serial killer. Bundy's charm and intelligence made him a truly terrifying figure. Despite his attempts to represent himself and his last-minute confessions, Bundy was ultimately found guilty and sentenced to death. His trial and subsequent execution served as a grim reminder of the dangers posed by individuals with psychopathic tendencies. At 4, we come to one of the most recent and controversial criminal court cases involving a former US president, Donald Trump's hush money case. Currently still in court at the time of this production, the Trump hush money case is the first time a former US president has been charged with a criminal act. The accusation is a simple one. He had sex with porn star Stormy Daniels and then paid her to be quiet about it. That in itself is not illegal. The problem was that he allegedly used presidential campaign funds to do so, which is a big no-no. The hush money case against Donald Trump raises serious legal and ethical questions about campaign finance laws and the extent of presidential immunity from prosecution. It is a test of the rule of law and the independence of the judiciary. Last but not least, we have O.J. Simpson. O.J. Simpson was a footballing superstar turned actor. He was at the height of his fame when he was accused of the brutal murders of his ex-wife, Nicole Brown Simpson, and her friend, Ron Goldman. The trial, often dubbed the trial of the century, captivated audiences worldwide with its sensational media coverage and high-profile legal team. The O.J. Simpson trial was a perfect storm of celebrity, race, and violence. It exposed deep divisions within American society and raised important questions about the fairness of the criminal justice system. The not guilty verdict shocked many and continues to spark debate to this day. Despite overwhelming evidence against him, Simpson was acquitted of all charges, leaving many questions unanswered and fueling conspiracy theories for years to come. The trial remains one of the most talked about cases in history and continues to fascinate people worldwide. And there you have it, the top 5 biggest criminal court cases of all time. From murder trials to corporate scandals, these cases have left an indelible mark on legal history and continue to shape the way we view justice and accountability. We'd love to know what you think about these cases. Have we missed a case out? And of course, like and subscribe to see more great content.